welcome back. Out at my local pond again. It's filled up quite a bit now, so it's good to run boats. So I thought I'll bring out the FLYTEC V009 out again. Reviewed this a couple of months ago on the stock lithium ion battery, but today I decided to try it out on a 2S Lipo here. I've actually got, this is a Turnigy 2S. It's only 1000 milliamp hours, but it's got a discharge rate of 30C. So runs off a red JST connector, but actually fits the black plugs that this stock lithium ion batteries actually run on. So as long as you just make sure the polarity is correct, should be okay. So I'm going to turn it on, put the transmitter on. Okay, so let's take it out on the pond here. I haven't taken this out since my initial review, which, like I said, was about 2 to 2.5 months ago, I think. And I couldn't actually come out here to run it because this pond was very dry. So today we're at my local pond. Okay, so that looks like it's in speed rate 1, so I want to try it out in speed rate 3. Let's see how we go. Last time when I reviewed this was taken on a bit of water. If you haven't seen that video, you can check it out. I'll leave a pop-up card. And when I got home, I inspected it, and I couldn't see anything that was really that I could fix. So I haven't touched it, guys. The silicone inside looks like it was sealed up pretty decent. So hopefully today it doesn't take on as much water. And as I said that, it's slowing down. So let's check, see if it is taking on water, just as I was speaking about it. Pretty unfortunate if it does. Yeah, there's a little bit of water in there. So that's unfortunate. Actually, there's quite a bit. Wow, that's not good. But like, as I was saying, the silicone in here doesn't look too bad. It might be coming in through the actual, maybe the thruster on the back. Too sure. But I'll take it out again just quickly. I mean, the actual seal on the canopy here is not too bad at all. I mean, there's nothing wrong I can see. So yeah, unfortunately, it's taking on water again. This is in its third rate setting, so it's as fast as it will go. I primarily wanted to just use this as a rescue boat if I get another boat stuck out on the pond. Just want to fit something to the front nose, that way I can push boats in. But if it's going to continue taking on water, it's not really ideal, is it? I've seen other people not have any issues with water on their particular models. going pretty good now. Yeah, well, I don't know, guys. It's keeping the speed a lot longer than what it was when I just took it out only a few minutes ago. Doesn't seem to be slowing down at all. Not too sure how long this battery's going to last. It's only 1,000 milliamp hours. Pretty sure the V008 from last year was a little bit quicker than this. But anyway, I just thought I'll bring it out again. Haven't used it since I done the review on it a couple of months back. So as you can see, yeah, it's it's not slowing down now, so not too sure why it was taking on water so quickly in today's run. Rather odd. It seems to be running all right now. Seen a couple of guys do a brushless system on these. I don't know if I will personally, because I want to have the anti-capsizing feature, and I just, like I said before, I just want to use this as a rescue boat. That's all I'll be using it for. Because I've got much faster, more exciting boats in my collection than this one, but these are alright. I mean, it's jet powered. So, you know, the impeller is not exposed and you can run it, you know, even in dirty water. Whereas a traditional outboard prop RC boat, you'll get it stuck in all sorts of reeds and anything that's floating in the water, which will either get you stuck out on the pond or, you know, it will slow your boat down significantly. So there we have it, guys. I'll leave it at that. Like I said, I don't know how long the battery's gonna last. It's only a little 1,000 milliamp hour, so yeah, I'll leave it there, guys. So yeah, anyway, thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little quick rip around the pond. I just thought I'll revisit this boat once again and see how it performed. And yeah, this second time round, I mean, it did take water on at first, but second time round, it kept its speed. So yeah, if you're interested in this one, guys, I'll leave a link to my review in the description below. You can check it out, and I'll leave a link to Banggood from where I got this one from if you want to check it out yourself. I'd say wait for a sale to get this one at a discounted price. I can't remember what price it was initially, but at the time when I reviewed this, there was a much better boat that I recommended at the time, which is the Eachine EBT04, which was roughly the same price as this one on release, and you get 3 batteries and it's brushless. So yeah, guys, anyway, thanks very much for watching. I'll catch you on the next video, and yeah, see you then. Enjoy the hobby, guys. Bye for now.